everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I am back with my Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and open up all 24 days right in front of you guys, and maybe I'll do a video in the new year on what I did with the stuff, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So number one, I'm just going to go ahead and dig right into it. So number one, and this thing's sold out. So number one is a really cool mailbox, which I think is amazing because it's almost Valentine's Day. So I think it's really great for that. I want to lose all my pieces here. I'm going to have to, this bag ripped, is, you know, make sure I put this on some magnets. But it makes a really cute little mailbox. So that's number one. Moving on to number two, which is over here. And there's not a lot of holiday stuff that I've seen. And a lot of stuff ends up like working together. There we go. Okay, so this is a clear stamp set, flowers. Number three is right here. And number three is a Borders die. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. It's two pieces. And then I think we're on to number four, just up here. So number four is, I might have to open this one up. So it is two dies, two sets of dies that say happy and then birthday. So you also get the, you know, the border. So that's amazing. Number five is over here. And number five is a cool embossing folder. Let's see if I can get this thing out. So let's get this. Okay, so I like that. So I got that. So number six is down here. So number six is, it's a gnome. So it is a cute little gnome. All the little pieces to make a gnome. I'm going to keep those separated so that I don't lose all those pieces. So that is number six. Number seven is up here. And number seven is a stencil, and it is a couple of different stencils, different circle stencils that they all kind of build on top of each other. Number eight is right here. And so number eight is this heart die. And let's go to number nine is, number nine, where are you? No, oh, here it is, right here. Number nine. So number nine are these sequins. So these iridescent sequins. And then number 10 is right here. And so number 10 are these, I wonder if these go together. I'll have to see because they look like they might go together. They may not, but they're these flower dies, so I'll have to check and see if they go together because that would be really cool if they did, but I don't know. So that's number 10. Number 11 is down here, which you can't see because it's way down here. So this is like a banner die, and it has a couple of different ones. This one says sending hugs. Let's see here. So it's like it creates a banner. So sending hugs, it's your day, and hello there, I think. And then it's got the border. So that is pretty cool. I'm going to put those over to the side. Try to keep them all together. Okay, so that's number 11. Number 12 is up here. And this one is a bird. So this one makes a little bird. So that's number 12. Number 13 is here. And this one is a stamp set. And it's to make a wish because you're awesome until further notice, celebrate everything, spoil yourself, it's on me. So, so it goes with that birthday stuff. That is 13. So 14, 14 is a die set, and it looks like it is a floral die. So a little floral die. And then 15, here we are, 15. 15 is this long one, and this is another embossing folder. And this one's pretty cool. So, got that one. So 2 embossing folders. 16, let's see what we got for 16. 16 is, let's see here. It says, for you, plus the little border that goes around that. Keeps them all together so we don't lose them. 16, 17 is over here. So 17 is cool. It's this these arch dies. Like, you could do a window with that. I think that's cool. 17. Now we've got 18. I have to clean it after myself after this too to make sure I don't lose any of these pieces. 18 is some more sequins, and it's these blue ones. Really could do some good birthday stuff with that, I think. Oh, let me show you guys so you guys can see it more. And they're very shiny. It's 18. 19 is up here. And it's another stamp set. And this one is a congratulations one. So that's great. Let's see. 20 is up here. So 20 is a stencil set, and it's one of those like multi-layer ones. So that's cool. It's 20. And then 21 is this one right here. So I think you can do a flower with that, maybe. Not totally sure, but there's that one. And then 22 is down here. Everything is getting destroyed. Is some more sequins. And these ones are pink. They almost look lavender, but it's like a pink. So got some sequins. And then 23 is up here. Almost to the end. 23. So this one is a thank you. So it's thank you plus the little shadow for that. And then last but not least is number 24. And 24 is this cute little truck that you could put like things in the back. And it's got a couple little pieces for layering. I think you could put like a present. Like you can put presents. You can totally do a birthday. So that's really cute. that'll be really fun. So that is what is in the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. I don't know if you guys would like to get this because it did sell out, and I think there's a nice variety of things in it to play with. Should be something fun to do when I'm off on vacation. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.